Life had dealt Amelia a difficult hand. Widowed far too young, she carried the weight of the world on her shoulders. Her precious daughter Lily was diagnosed with autism. Amelia's heart ached for Lily, who faced a world that didn't always understand her. As a retired nurse, Amelia's pension barely covered their basic needs. The rising cost of living, especially after COVID, stretched her budget thin. She worried constantly about making ends meet. Amelia was a fighter. She was determined to provide Lily with the best possible life. She knew she had to find a way to increase their income. She spent hours searching online for work-from-home opportunities. She was determined to be present for Lily, while also securing their financial future. Hope flickered within her, but little did she know that her journey would be fraught with challenges. One evening, as Lily slept soundly, Amelia stumbled upon an ad. It promised stay-at-home moms the opportunity to earn significant income. It seemed like the answer to her prayers. She clicked on the link, her heart pounding with anticipation. The website was filled with testimonials from women who claimed to have achieved financial freedom. They spoke of luxurious vacations and paid-off mortgages. Amelia wanted that for herself and Lily. Driven by a mix of desperation and hope, Amelia decided to give it a try. She told herself that even if it didn't work out, she wouldn't have any regrets. She had to at least explore every avenue. She signed up for the program, feeling a surge of optimism. She thought, this could be it. This could be the break we need. The work-from-home opportunity turned out to be a multi-level marketing scheme. Amelia threw herself into it, attending online webinars, connecting with potential customers, and even hosting home parties. She believed in the products, but her sales were dismal. The pressure to recruit others into the program was immense. Amelia found herself torn between her values and her desire for financial security. Disappointment washed over her as she realized that the promised riches were an illusion. She had poured her heart and soul into the program, neglecting her own needs and even Lily's therapy sessions. The weight of her failure was crushing. She had to start from scratch, more discouraged than ever. One evening, as Amelia scrolled through online forums, she came across a discussion about binary options trading. She had never heard of it before, but the concept intrigued her. It seemed like a fast-paced and potentially lucrative way to make money. However, she was also wary. She had been burned before and didn't want to fall prey to another scam. Amelia decided to do her research. She spent hours reading articles, watching tutorial videos, and even joining online communities of traders. She learned that binary options trading involved predicting whether the price of an asset, such as a stock or currency, would go up or down within a specific time frame. It seemed straightforward enough, but she knew that any form of trading came with risks. The more Amelia learned about binary options trading, the more it appealed to her. Unlike traditional stock trading, which required significant capital and often involved slow market movements, binary options allowed traders to start with small amounts and potentially earn quick profits. This was especially appealing to Amelia, who had very little capital to spare. She was drawn to the simplicity of binary options trading. It wasn't about complex algorithms or technical analysis. It was about understanding market trends, identifying potential opportunities, and making calculated decisions. Amelia had always been a quick learner, and she felt confident that she could grasp the fundamentals of trading. Amelia knew that she couldn't afford to jump in blindly. She decided to start with a demo account, which allowed her to practice trading with virtual money. She spent hours honing her skills, experimenting with different trading strategies, and getting a feel for the market. She was surprised by how quickly she picked it up. It felt intuitive, almost like a game of strategy. With newfound confidence, Amelia decided to open a live trading account. She deposited a small amount, just $85, which was all she could afford at the time. She knew that this was her hard-earned money, and she was determined to make it work for her. She promised herself that she would be disciplined, avoid emotional trading, and stick to her trading plan.